Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Perplexity for research with automated citation exports. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Perplexity for research with automated citation exports, begin by opening your web browser. Type Perplexity AI into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official website link to access the Perplexity platform. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started button and click it. You may need to register for an account if you haven't done so already. Fill in the required fields and submit your information to create your account. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available tools. Locate the search bar at the top of the page, where you can input your research query. Type your research topic or question into the search bar and hit enter. Review the generated responses for relevant information. To export citations, look for the Citation tool in the Results section. Click on the Citation tool to reveal formatting options like APA, MLA, or Chicago style. Select your preferred citation format. Once chosen, click on the Export button to download your citations. The citations will be saved to your device in a file format of your choice. Repeat the process for each additional research topic as needed. Utilize the features available to refine your searches for more accurate results. Explore the Settings menu to customize your user experience. You can adjust preferences such as citation styles and research preferences. For quicker access in the future, bookmark the Perplexity site. Now you're ready to enhance your research process using Perplexity with automated citation exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.